MDR-7506 is the model number. You can see here it's got a nice wide band on the head, so super comfortable. Okay, easily adjustable. You got the right and left side. These are go up and down. You can see here, easily adjustable. They are portable, so you can fold them up like this here. You can take them with you like this here. And it did come with a little bag, little portable bag for storage. So, and that's how it came. And it's a nice long cord. It's got the like a spongy cord here, and it does have an XLR to a 1/4-inch jack on here, and this is screwed on, so you can see here, so it won't pop off. So all professional grade, always when you get professional grade, they always have the screw-ons. It helps protect them so they just don't snap off or pop off, and you don't lose them. And they're stereo, and it comes with stereo headphones, and they come with the carrying pouch, like I said. So definitely recommend these. These are awesome. Like I said, I'm not an audio engineer, but I like something comfortable. I want to hear the true audio, and I want to have something that's going to last. And Sony is a good quality. I've always loved Sony products, and I definitely don't think you can go wrong with these headphones. And they're very, very, very comfortable, just so you know.